Day 39 of 365 Bible Stories. Sometime later, the king became angry with his servant and his cook, and he threw them into the same prison where Joseph was held. One night, both the servant and the cook had strange dreams. They woke up confused and wondered what their dreams meant. Joseph said to them, "God knows the meaning of dreams. Tell me your dreams, and I will explain them." The servant said, "I saw 3 branches full of ripe grapes. I squeezed the grapes into a cup and served it to the king." Joseph told him, "In 3 days you will be forgiven and return to serving the king. But when that happens, please remember me and help me get out of this prison." Then the cook said, "In my dream, I carried 3 baskets of bread on my head. The top basket was full of food, and birds were eating it." Joseph told him, "In 3 days, the king will have you executed, and the birds will eat your body." And everything happened exactly as Joseph said. The cook was killed, and the servant was restored to his position in the palace. But the servant forgot about Joseph and did not help him. Join me tomorrow as we continue this journey through the Bible.